Hey tech lovers! Today, we're exploring something that has become a part of our daily lives: AI-powered virtual assistants. From setting reminders to controlling smart homes, they've come a long way. But here's the question: what's next for virtual assistants? Are we moving beyond Siri and Alexa? Let's find out. The evolution of virtual assistants, clips of Siri's early days and Alexa's smart home integrations. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The journey of virtual assistants began with basic voice commands. Think Siri in 2011. Alexa stepped in with more smart home capabilities, making our lives more connected. But today, virtual assistants are evolving to become more than just task doers. They're becoming smarter, more intuitive, and even proactive. Imagine an assistant that not only follows your commands but predicts your needs. Key features of next-generation virtual assistants: visuals of futuristic virtual assistants displaying predictive features and personalized interfaces. Host. Here are some ways virtual assistants are leveling up. Keycap 1: Context awareness. Virtual assistants now understand the context of your requests. For example, if you ask, "What's the weather like?" and then say, "Do I need an umbrella?" they link the two queries seamlessly. Keycap 2: Emotional intelligence. Some assistants can recognize your mood through voice or facial expressions, responding empathetically. Imagine an AI suggesting calming music if it detects stress in your voice. Keycap 3: Multimodal interactions. They're not just about voice anymore. Advanced assistants use text, gestures, and even visuals for communication, like Google's AI-enabled Lens or virtual assistants on AR glasses. Virtual assistants in new devices. Clips of virtual assistants integrated into cars, wearables, and healthcare devices. Virtual assistants are no longer confined to your phones or smart speakers. They're expanding into car automobiles. AI like Tesla's assistant helps with navigation, parking, and even entertainment. Watch wearables. Devices like smartwatches use assistants to monitor your health and provide personalized fitness plans. Hospital healthcare gadgets. Imagine an eye assistant that reminds you to take medication or tracks your symptoms in real time. The role of AI advancements: animated explanation of neural networks and natural language processing driving smarter assistants. So, what's powering these advancements? It's a combination of natural language processing, NLP. This allows assistants to understand complex sentences and even regional dialects. Machine learning algorithms. The more you use them, the better they adapt to your preferences. Integration with IoT. Connecting with devices like refrigerators, cars, and even doorbells creates a seamless smart ecosystem. Challenges and ethical concerns. Visuals of people debating privacy and security concerns related to AI. While these advancements are exciting, they come with challenges. Cross-mark privacy concerns. Your data is essential for personalized services, but how secure is it? Cross-mark dependence on AI. Are we losing our ability to think critically by outsourcing too much to assistants? Cross-mark bias in AI. Some assistants may unintentionally reflect biases in their algorithms. The future of virtual assistants. The host stands with futuristic holographic assistants projected in the background. The future looks promising. We could see virtual assistants integrated with augmented reality, providing real-time guidance through holograms. They might also act as collaborative partners, helping with creative tasks or problem-solving. Imagine having an assistant that not only schedules meetings but also drafts your reports or offers creative suggestions based on trends. The host smiles at the camera, holding a smartphone as a virtual assistant graphic appears on screen. So, what do you think? Are we ready for a world where virtual assistants are smarter, more intuitive, and everywhere? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.